Hello, welcome to my Excel video series. I'm starting a series on Excel. Okay, today we're going to go around and check the interface, starting from the ribbon. Now, there's something you have to know. The ribbon was introduced in 2010, and ever since then, each update, each release, Microsoft has always maintained this ribbon. And what is a ribbon? Ribbon simply means this means that it shows again. This is what we call the ribbon. I did the ribbon now, and I'm showing the ribbon again. Now, what makes up the ribbon? The tabs. Right now, I'm on Home tab. This is Insert tab, Page Layout, and so on. Now, these are known as the tabs. Now, under Home tab, for example, we have a kind of segmented groups here. You can see is a segment, is a demarcation. Under each group, there's kind of segment. Each of them is known as a group. For instance, this is a clipboard group. This is font group. So everything here is referred to as font group. Then everything in this segment is called the alignment group. Here we have the number group. And inside each group, we have a command. Bold is a command. Italic is a command. Underline is a command. Each and everything you see inside a group is known as a command. Now, with that, we can move ahead to see what we can do with Excel. Now here there is what we call the quick access toolbar. It's called the quick access toolbar because it gives us quick access to commands. For example, here we have save, and also we have save under file and down to this place. But save here allows us to save our work quickly. Now we can add commands to this quick access toolbar by dropping down this, then enabling whichever command we want to show. For example, I want to show open here. Click on open and it appears here. I want to show quick print. I click on it, it appears. Now in case I want to remove, I'll also go through the same way. I uncheck and it goes away. Open, I uncheck, it goes away. And email, I uncheck and it also goes away. Apart from the tabs which we have here, there is another one which is supposed to be a tab, but that one is known as the backstage view. So whenever you hear the word backstage view or someone asks you to go to the backstage view, just click on file and you'll be at the backstage view. As simple as that. This is what we call the spreadsheet. We use the word spreadsheet to describe Excel workbook. Now, if you take a good look at my section point here, this is what we call a cell. Now, a cell is the intersection of a column and a row. And here is a column, another column, another column, and so on. and here is one row, another row, another row. So the intersection of a column and a row is what we call a cell. As in the word cell. Let's learn how to create a new document. To create a new document, you go to your backstage view. So you click on File, and here you click on New. So here you select blank workbook, and here you have a new workbook open. Now we can decide to do something on this workbook, and at the end of the day, to save this workbook, we need to go to our backstage view, click on Save, and choose a location for our document. I will easily browse, choose my desktop, and I give it a name like food, and I say save, and here comes the name I just used, food, and that is how to save the workbook in Excel. Now, in case you're working on a new workbook and you want to go back and open the previously saved. Now, let's assume we want to open an existing document. All you have to do is go to backstage view, click on Open, and there are two ways to actually do this. You can see the name of that document under the recent workbooks, or you can actually browse and go to the location where we saved the document. So I go to my computer, click on Browse, then go to my desktop, and here is the folder, and I click on Open, and the previous document is open. So this is an example on how to create a workbook and how to open an existing. Now, if you want to learn Excel from the beginner's approach to the advanced level, kindly join me on this channel, as I will be unleashing most things you need to know about Excel. The knowledge here can take you through Excel 2010 to 2016. Thank you for watching this introductory video. See you on my next video.